So guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about my tooth braces. Yes, I know it's been a long time I did this video on this channel. If you guys see me, you'll see I still have these braces. Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nono Obi. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, please thank you for coming around. I know it's been a while, like I had a little bit of short break on this YouTube. I know once you just go off, it's like everybody is like, oh, people just forget about you. That's just it. Once you're active, people remember you. Once you're not active, they forget about you. People have other things to think of. So just stop feeling that you're the center of their of their importance, okay? So guys, back to what I was saying. I had two braces, okay? This is almost a year plus let's say a year plus 8 months, kind of. I'm gonna be 2 years on this braces journey in November this year. So trust me guys, I know quite a lot and I'm still having it till now. So in this video basically we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts and what you're going to experience. Are you ready for it emotionally? Because trust me, you have to be ready for it emotionally. It's funny, right? Everything is emotional. Yeah, but you have to be ready for it. So I'll be glad to talk about it in this video. So once you're talking about having a two braces, you know the things you're to expect, the things you're to do, the things you're not to do, basically the do's and don'ts. Okay, so when I had my braces, that was in 2021. Wow, time flies. I had my braces in 2021 November. Really? Yeah. So first thing is that, first of all, look at how the journey was started. I didn't plan on having these braces. It wasn't a planned stuff. So that is why I tell you guys, I have had an experience and you should listen to it. So when, first of all, I went to remove this tooth that I say, what is it called again? The wisdom tooth. Yes, because it was giving me so much of problem. Most times it gives me pain, and trust me, the worst pain is tooth pain. I don't even know the worst pain, but tooth pain is so painful. Like it comes with headache and stuffs like that. So I went to take my wisdom tooth off. So after taking it off, so I went to see my dentist and they looked at my teeth and I found out that I have two milk teeth which I had from childhood. What it means basically is that these two milk teeth, I'm going to show you guys the video here, just watch it. What it means basically is just these two milk teeth didn't fall off when my teeth were falling off as a baby or as a toddler or as or whatever it is, you know, that period that your teeth falls off. So it means basically that my teeth didn't fall off with that. So it was just there, very tiny, occupying space, not allowing other of my teeth to just to breathe. Basically, that's what the what is it called? The orthodox said. No, that was what the dentist said. Okay, and I'm like, okay, what is it now? And he's like, it's better to take it off. I'm like, okay, fine, you can take it off. So when the process it was taken off, and trust me, they took one up and they took one down. And when I smile, it's a disaster. I'm like, no, no, no. I can't live with smiling this way. No, I can't live with it. It was so strange on my face. And I'm like, no, I'm going to just, you know, fix this thing back. And what are the options for it? And they said I'm going to have braces on it so the teeth can come back together. And I'm like, if I'm having braces on it, I hope you guys will not close my gap tooth. And they said no, you're not going to tamper with my gap tooth. I'm like, okay, fine, let's have it. And I told my husband, I was like, okay, fine, I'm okay with it, let's do it. I didn't know what I was expecting. Okay, so I had these braces. God, that day was a disaster. I couldn't move my mouth, I had sore, I couldn't eat, I was hungry, I was scared of eating, I couldn't chew. Even when you have strength, even when you wanted to eat, you can't even chew. And trust me guys, that period I was in diet, that period I already made my meals and my meals are in the fridge already. You know when you're dieting, like I already been prepped, it's in the fridge. But those meals I meal prepped, I can't even really eat it. As easy as a rice can be, I couldn't chew rice. Okay, so that very day I had custard and I had tea, because the way I had the tea was I soaked my bread in the tea and it's soft, and I just use my tongue and put it up here and just winkle it there and swallow. So after about a week, I became a little bit better. The tooth became a little bit less sensitive, But yet, I was told things to eat and things not to eat. I was advised not to break my teeth with what is it called? With not to break my meat with bone. Um, just to use my teeth and break bone. I was advised not to eat pizza because of the cheese. It's gonna go around the resisting. I was advised on so many things. It was almost like someone that was not feeling fine, and you have given the do's and don'ts and what to eat and what not to eat. So it was very annoying. At that period, when we hang out, I can't eat some certain things because I have bruises on my tooth. Oh my god. So that first few months, it was really something I had to acclimatize with, something I had to be comfortable with, something I had to start, being, just it's like a change of life. Do you understand? But like if I had known all this, I would have maybe psychologically prepared my mind towards. So let me just stop the story here. So the do's and don'ts. So when you have your braces on, I would advise you to always clean your teeth. There's this kind of brush that you have to use to clean your teeth. If you want to know that, I'm going to leave that video in the description so you can watch it, where I had the equipment that you need for cleaning your teeth when you have the braces, because it's not even having the braces that thing is cleaning it, because if you don't clean it, you're going to have what is it called, tooth moles and stuff like that. And trust me, you don't want to have issues with your tooth. You wouldn't want to have it. It's too bad. Okay, so make sure you clean your teeth well, make sure you don't break your teeth with bone. Well, make sure you don't eat things you're advised not to eat, like eating carrots, because carrots you have to so you don't need that as well. Make sure you do the things that that your dentist told you to do, because if you don't do it, they also just told you to do, because if you don't do it, it's going to take longer before your what is it called, your tooth heals, or before the braces comes together. Okay, so you have to abide the rules and regulations. Okay, another thing I would advise you to do is to always remember to flush your teeth whenever you eat some certain things, so that it does not remain there and start decaying on your tooth. Okay, another thing I want to say again about this is that you should get some dental flocks so you can wash in between your teeth. Just basically taking very good care of your teeth. Okay, and the don'ts here is you shouldn't take candies because you have these braces. Candies that not stain your teeth. You shouldn't break bones with your teeth. You shouldn't eat pizza, so much pizza that has so much cheese. You shouldn't eat some fatty food like breaking carrots, eating so much vegetables, they're gonna hang on your teeth and stuff like that. Okay, you shouldn't once again, you should always remember to wash out your teeth, or use water to clean your teeth, or use this water floss to floss your teeth all the time. Okay guys, that is just it basically. Just the most important thing I would say in all the things I've said now, just like Sunday, is to get your mind prepared. The journey is not for the week. It's not something you start now and you end tomorrow. You're just gonna have these teeth. I'm gonna have these braces for a while. Even though the issue of my teeth was not that elaborate, you can see I'm almost having it almost 2 years, and it's not like I didn't have a nice tooth. I had a nice dentition. If I hadn't removed that, you wouldn't even know that was a new teeth. Okay, I had a nice dentition, so I didn't even have problem on my tooth. Just that milk tooth that was removed and trying to close it, and it has already taken this long. You can imagine those that their teeth was very bad, maybe one line on each other, that. Okay, so that is basically it. You just have to keep your mind prepared that it's gonna take a while, because I can remember then whenever I go to my appointment and I'll ask them, okay, so how long am I gonna have this? When I just started the journey, they tell me, okay, you think gonna have it about 2 years plus. Like, oh, this one talking 2 years. So that's just guys, just keep in mind prepared. Thank you for watching. If you want more on this video, you want me to show you the things that you need to use when you're on YouTube braces journey, please put down in the comment section, and remember to share this video as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.